पीपल म्हणजे आपण म्हणतो पिंपळाचं झाड. आणि बघा त्याने वर्णन केलेले आहे. The writer has described here, the narrator has described here, it very well. Yes, he has described the magnificent trees constantly attracted squirrels. Magnificent means what? Very splendid. भव्य असं मोठं लक्षात घ्या. Magnificent splendid. Magnificent means splendid. भव्य. In Marathi we call it भव्य. भव्य दिव्य अशा झाडावर लक्षात घ्या. काय होतं बघा लक्षात येईल आपल्या. यस, कॉन्स्टंटली अट्रॅक्टेड. ट्रीज कॉन्स्टंटली मीन्स सातत्याने. अट्रॅक्टेड आकर्षित करणे. कशाला? इन सच मॅग्निफिकंट ट्री कॉन्स्टंटली अट्रॅक्टेड squirrels. Squirrels? Yes, खारुताई. We are so eager to see such kinds of creature like squirrel and many species of birds and पक्ष्यांच्या अनेक प्रजाती होत्या. Species we can say प्रजाती, it better way. A group of langurs had even made the den in an अश्वत्था tree nearby. आणि जवळच्याच अश्वत्था म्हणजे पिंपळाच्या झाडावर लंगर्स म्हणजे लंगूर लक्षात घ्या. यांचं काय होतं? ग्रुप होता. ग्रुप म्हणजे काय म्हणतो आपण? जमाव. A group of langurs had even made the den. Den means here dwelling place we can say. राहण्याचं ठिकाण. म्हणजे त्यांचं den कुठे होतं? On which tree? अश्वत्था. Understand? Yes. And the den in Ashwatha tree nearby, they had all become a part and parcel of our existence and daily life. The writer here says that all these creatures, animals, birds, all these were part and parcel of their life. Part and parcel, this is your phrase. Yes? A part and parcel. Part and parcel of life. It is what is the meaning of it? It is an integral part of our life. It is an integral part of life. We can say an integral part of our life. So let's see the writer has described, the narrator has described everything of his dwelling in that campus. तर ज्या ठिकाणी राहत होतात त्या कंपनीच्या कॅम्पसची संपूर्ण याचं वर्णन या पहिल्याच पॅराग्राफमध्ये रायटरने केलेलं आहे, नरेटरने केलेलं आहे. Actually, he was at the age of 15 that time, at your teenage, Yes. So imagine, you have to enjoy the story. This is a very interesting story. You can enjoy by imagination.
GKS College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Khadauli. From 12th standard to 70 number from in available. 11th Arts, 11th Commerce, 11th Science, BA Bachelor of Arts, BCom Account of Finance, BMC Bachelor of Management Studies, BSc Bachelor of Computer Science. Address: opposite Military School, Khadauli East, Kalyan. Contact number 025 12 37 0975 9029 37 0975 9967 112738. GKS कला वाणिज्य आणि विज्ञान महाविद्यालय खडवली. मान्यता महाराष्ट्र राज्य मुंबई विद्यापीठ. प्रवेश सुरू. 11वी कला, 11वी वाणिज्य, 11वी विज्ञान, BA बॅचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स, BCom अकाउंट ऑफ फायनान्स, BMS बॅचलर ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट स्टडीज, BSc बॅचलर ऑफ कम्प्युटर सायन्स. 12वी करिता 17 नंबर फॉर्मची सुविधा उपलब्ध आहे. पत्ता: सैनिकी शाळेजवळ खडवली पूर्व, तालुका कल्याण, जिल्हा ठाणे. कॉन्टॅक्ट नंबर 025-123-70975, 90293-70975, 9967112738.
Imagine, in place of writer, you can see yourself. Okay, in place of writer, you can see yourself. Suppose you are staying in such a campus with your family. Okay, so in case of learning stories or lessons, you have to develop your emotional quality, your imagination. Okay, that's very important. And by the way, when you imagine, then you understand it in a best quality. You grasp the meaning of each and every word, each and every line and everything. That's why pay attention, concentrate in such, okay, line by line, and understand it. And just imagine every incident. So these are the scenes, you know it very well. You can see the first scene, like in the movie, you can see the description. In the same, he has described here the campus of a company where his father working as a medical professional. So let's see. The house was corner of campus, and you know it very well. That's why the writer enjoyed the natural scenic surrounding of his area, or we can say campus. Very good. So you know it very well here. They had all became, means who? All birds, you know it were squirrels, langurs, okay, all they were the part and parcel of their life, means writer's life. You know, they were the important part of their life. त्यांच्या जीवनाचा अविभाज्य भाग हे सगळे बनले होते. मग खारुताई असेल, वेगवेगळे पक्षी असतील, बरोबर आहे की नाही? त्यानंतर लंगर्स आहेत, त्यानंतर तुमच्या लक्षात येईल इथे त्यांनी वर्णन केलेलं आहे काही. तर बघा, a group of langurs had even made their den in Ashwatha tree nearby. Which tree is there? Yes, Ashwatha tree. It is a people, we can say, okay, people tree. आपण मराठीमध्ये त्याला म्हणतो पिंपळाचं झाड. त्या पिंपळाच्या झाडावर वानरांची वस्ती असायची. इज अ den means dwelling place, correct? Yes. So let's see. So anybody else, can you say, can you describe the beauty, yes, of nature? Okay, no problem. Let us now see a small next paragraph. You know, a small incident on Saturday afternoon laid a profound effect on me and unfolded before me my eyes a whole new dimension to the wonders of God's creation. So you know it very well. A small incident on Saturday afternoon. It was Saturday afternoon, and the writer or the narrator saw a small incident. A small incident took place there. Correct? Yes, let's see. A profound effect on me, and it has profound effect. We can say deep effect on writer. त्याचा गहन परिणाम झाला किंवा काय म्हणूया आपण सखोल त्याच्या मनावर त्या घटनेचा परिणाम झाला. It was an incident, you know very well. We have already read the lesson and we come to know the incident was, what was the incident. So let's see. And unfolded before my eyes a whole new dimension to the wonders of God's creation. Unfolded means here revealed. Means you know it very well. Yes? Loudly, come on. Space, you are very good, you know it. Okay, we can say revealed. No, it is vilakshan in Marathi, we can say revealed or pradarshit hone. Unfolded before my eyes, that is eyes he never closed. That means he could open only his eyes. Understand? A whole new dimension to the wonders of God's creation. New dimension is the new factor. Okay, Naveen Ghatak we can say. So before my eyes, a whole new dimension to wonders of God's creation, and it was जणू काही God's creation. It was created by the God. म्हणजे जसं काही देवानेच निर्माण केलेलं आहे अशा पद्धतीचं त्या ठिकाणी लेखकाने वर्णन केलेलं आहे. It was a few days into a puja vacation, and it was a few days into puja vacation. A few means काही दिवसच puja vacation चे होते. Especially you celebrate various festivals. In the same they had puja festival. Which festival do we celebrate here? Ganesh festival. Very well. It's approaching now, correct? In the same sense, the time when here the writer experienced or the narrator experienced the incident, it was a vacation of puja, or we can say Durga Puja. And then what happened? Let's see. It was a few days into the puja vacation, just like for any other child. The holidays provided an opportunity for me to become engrossed in various magazines and storybooks published especially for children in the festival season. And very well, the writer or the narrator was engrossed. Engrossed means very busy. Engrossed means occupied. In Magna hone we can say in Marathi. He was engrossed, or you can say busy in holiday for reading books. Understand? Just like other children, they can read, they can spend their time in reading holiday books. Which books they read? Holiday books. In vacation, they read magazines. Many of you are too reading magazines, story books, some of the novels, okay, adventurous books, and lots of things you read too. And in the same sense, the writer was reading, he was busy, engrossed in reading various magazines and storybooks, which was published specially for children in a vacation time. Understand? म्हणजे सुट्टीच्या कालावधीमध्ये जे काही पुस्तकं वाचण्याची असतात अशी पुस्तकं या ठिकाणी लेखक बरं वाचण्यामध्ये मग्न होता. ती मॅगझिन्स असो, गोष्टींची पुस्तकं असो, कादंबरी सारखी असो, किंवा काही साहसी धाडसी अशी पुस्तकं, ॲडव्हेंचर्स अशा प्रकारची पुस्तकं वाचण्यामध्ये इतर मुलांप्रमाणे लेखक सुद्धा मग्न होता. He was busy, he was engrossed in reading books. Okay, now we can stop here, and then next we will see next paragraph. Okay, next paragraph later on. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.